In this video, I'll show you how to set up notifications in Calendly quickly and easily so you can stay on top of every booking without missing important updates. Whether you want to turn notifications on or off or customize them for a specific event type, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left side or the main navigation menu and click Scheduling. This is where you can manage your event types and make changes to how your booking settings work. Next, select the event type you want to edit. If you have multiple event types set up, make sure you choose the correct one, since notification settings can be different for each event. After that, scroll down until you see More Options. Click on that to open the additional settings for your event. Now, look for the section called Notifications and Workflows. This is where Calendly keeps all the notification settings related to that event type, including reminders and other workflow options. Once you open that section, find the specific notification you want to configure. You may see different notification entries depending on how your account is set up and what plan features you're using. To make changes, click the three-dot menu or the More menu next to the notification. From there, you can choose to turn the notification on or off, depending on whether you want it active. If you want to make it more specific, click Edit to customize the notification instead. This is useful if you want to adjust who receives the alert, when it gets sent, or what the message says. Take a moment to review your changes carefully so everything is set up the way you want. Once you're done, click Save Changes to apply the update. That's the final step. And now your Calendly notifications are configured for that event type. If you want to repeat the same process for other event types, just follow the same steps again and adjust each one as needed. This is a great way to keep your scheduling organized, make sure you never miss new bookings, and create a smoother experience for both you and your invitees. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Calendly tips, software guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.